Hey guys, this is Adam Gander. I just want to talk to you a little bit today about hunting DIY style in Alaska. If you're looking for a great epic adventure, once in a lifetime trip, I highly recommend talking to Troy Sessions with 60-inch Club. For a few years I kicked around trying to do all this myself, and I talked to many different places and different air taxis and all that, and stuff just wouldn't ever add up to satisfy me. There was a couple that I kind of started leaning towards, but those guys are dropping people off left and right, and they're just getting in areas to where they know they can drop you off, and they know they can pick you up in a certain area. And there's a lot of other people out there hunting and floating, so a lot of those other air taxi services are doing the exact same spots. But with Troy, he is a hardcore hunter. He knows his big bulls. He's a guy that can fly around, find these secret spots, places that no one else has ever tried before. He's willing to drop in and figure the place out, and then come up with a game plan with GPS coordinates, what lake to fly into, where's a safe landing, where's a safe pickup place. He can line all that out for you and just kind of give you the basics, and then you're all on your own. I mean, you better be ready mentally and physically to get it done yourself, but you're going to be in some good quality areas that very few people can even do. One thing about Troy, he knows how to hunt. A lot of these other taxi services, they're not hunters. They're just guys that fly fishermen out, fly hunters out every year, just know places to drop off and pick up. That's all they know. With Troy, you're getting the whole package. You're going to get someone that knows how to hunt, knows how to call. He's going to give all those tips to you, be with you step by step on all that before you step foot in the field, and then you're all on your own. And you got some good pilot to help fly in and fly out. Everything's safe. High quality guys. That's a high quality hunt, and that's what you're looking for. So again, if you're looking for a good hunt, call Troy Sessions at 60-inch Club. I highly recommend him. Feel free to even give me a holler if you need any kind of other recommendations on what to expect, what to look for, maybe how to pack something, for camp, what little things to look for while you're out there. That's something that you might not think about taking. So anyways, good luck to you, and hope you make the right decision by talking to Troy.